why you need the expander. The expander is a styrofoam piece that is shaped the opposite of the aquifer pipe. What I mean by the opposite, see, it fits in that little V channel right there. So what's unique about the aquifer pipe is that it has this channel, but because it has this channel, it has a tendency to move in, kind of like fold in this way. So you don't see it much, but it has that flexibility. So what the expander does, and if I wanted to connect the aquifer pipe to this coupler, which you need to do in order to get your water to the system, is that I need to push the walls out against the edge of this fitting. And so that's what this expander does. I put the pipe in there, it stops wherever the ledge is inside there, and I use the expander and I push it in, and it creates a nice tight fit all along this edge. And of course, when I do this, I'm gluing this edge first. Now, because it's styrofoam, you only want to glue this portion of the pipe. You don't want the glue to get onto the styrofoam because it'll just melt it. If something gets on, it's okay, but just don't think that you have to glue the styrofoam. So let's put it in there like this. I glue it, I set it there like that. I get this styrofoam expander, I shove it in there. Now I have a nice tight fit. And if you look inside there, you'll see that the path to the water channels of the aquifer pipe are clearly, and no dirt can get back into the system because we're blocking it off because of that styrofoam piece. And look at on this side. So it's a very important piece in order to have your aquifer pipe system work with either gray water or potable water. Okay, so here is where the expander helps us put a 3-inch fitting, a standard 3-inch fitting onto the aquifer pipe. Why that's important, this is the transition from the aquifer pipe to your standard plumbing fixture sizes. In this case, we're going from a 3-inch to a 2-inch, and that's what feeds the aquifer pipe. So everything from this point this way is just standard stuff you get off the shelf. The expander helps us make that transition from aquifer pipe to a 3-inch fitting. So make sure you order them when you order the other stuff. And you're going to need 2 for each pipe. You're going to need one on the incoming. This is your incoming. It's going to be fed by your bathtub or anything else. And then one when we have the cap at the very end over here, or the elbow that's coming up, you'll need one in there as well. So 2 for each length.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions, and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.